Welcome to the Rome Tech channel. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more exciting content. Magnite is a prominent player in the advertising technology landscape. They function as a sell-side platform, or SSP, essentially a sophisticated technology conduit that connects publishers of digital content, websites, mobile apps, and connected TV platforms, with advertisers looking to reach their target audiences. This connection facilitates the buying and selling of advertising inventory, enabling publishers to maximize their revenue streams. Magnite offers a comprehensive suite of tools and services that empower publishers to effectively manage and optimize their ad space. Through advanced analytics and real-time bidding technologies, publishers can connect with a vast network of advertisers, ensuring competitive pricing and optimal ad placements for their inventory. This intricate system leverages data-driven insights to target specific demographics, interests, and behaviors, ultimately enhancing the effectiveness and relevance of advertising campaigns. Magnite's platform is designed to streamline the often complex process of digital advertising, creating a more efficient and transparent marketplace for both publishers and advertisers. Their technology enables a dynamic ecosystem where advertisers can reach the right audience at the right time, while publishers can generate significant revenue from their valuable content. The company's focus on innovation and adapting to the ever-evolving digital advertising landscape positions them as a leader in the industry. By offering a unified platform and a strong focus on data-driven optimization, Magnite continues to connect publishers and advertisers, driving impactful results in a constantly shifting market. Their solutions cater to a wide range of publishers, from small independent websites to large media conglomerates, providing a scalable and customizable platform to meet their specific needs. Ultimately, Magnite plays a critical role in the digital advertising ecosystem, facilitating the flow of information and revenue between publishers and advertisers, and contributing to the growth and evolution of the industry. Their commitment to transparency and efficiency fosters trust and collaboration within this complex marketplace. In addition, Magnite is at the forefront of addressing key industry challenges like header bidding complexity and the shift towards a cookieless future, further solidifying their position as a forward-thinking and innovative leader. They are consistently developing new technologies and strategies to help publishers navigate the complexities of the digital advertising landscape and achieve their revenue goals.